Hello, I am Miguel Harth-Bedoya and I would like to invite you to join me for the 2021 Summer Orchestral Conducting Institute to take place in Fort Worth, Texas this coming June. The mission of the Institute is to inspire talented musicians of all levels, starting at high school age, to explore the art and craft of orchestral conducting and to create a setting in which they can learn the fundamentals and establish a solid foundation in this art form. Checklist. This year's Summer Institute will have two levels, a level for beginners and a level for returning students and selected conductors in training. Both of these levels will work with a lab orchestra composed of faculty and fellows, with opportunities to interact through casual conversations, panels, and question and answer sessions. I also enjoy working with music educators as well as youth and community orchestra conductors to stimulate their personal artistic growth and enable them to better inspire, prepare, and lead their own students and members. Throughout the Institute, there will be an array of classes, including ear training, instrumentation, and score study. In addition, the Conducting Institute offers one-on-one coaching, individual advice, and mentorship. Spending intensive time with Institute participants allows me to see the growth and development of every student. Our professional faculty and guest artists add dimension and depth to the experience. We will be following all of the CDC guidelines for social distancing, masks, testing, and other anti-COVID measures. After a successful in-person event in January of this year, we are confident that our measures are strong and effective. To learn more about the Institute, the application process, or to contact me, please follow the link below. I look forward to connecting with you.